Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place because seriously, I just stumbled across the most mind-blowing kitchen and I need to tell you everything. This is insane. It's that classic, dramatic modern Tudor style. You know, the gorgeous black beams and those historical windows, but they totally cranked up the modernity using concrete gray and this electric yellow. It's a genius fusion. I mean, who thought yellow and concrete could be this chic? It's totally giving sophisticated energy vibes. Wow, look at the scale of this space. The ceiling height alone is a massive flex. We are talking about huge, dark, exposed beams soaring up maybe 11 feet 6 inches high, giving it such drama. Then, right in the center, you have the working island. It's a total beast, probably 7 feet long, and it's covered in this impossibly smooth gray concrete finish. But they throw in the yellow on the cabinetry, and suddenly the whole room just pops. Honestly, it's a game changer. We've all seen those cramped, boring kitchens, right? Beige on beige, yawn. This design completely fixes that housing drama. It's spacious, it's functional, and the gray keeps it super grounded while that vibrant yellow injects life and personality. Plus, they managed to sneak in this cozy banquette seating right by the bay window. You could drink your coffee there all day. Dream home definition, right? This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.